Stop there before you spend another minute copying and pasting, writing the same email over and over, or manually transcribing meeting. I am about to show you 5 AI Chrome extensions that will literally give you back hours of your life every single day. And the best part, most of these are completely free. Now I know what you are thinking. Another AI tool video, but here's the difference. I have actually been using this extension for months and I am going to show you the exactly way they have transformed my productivity. Plus I will reveal the secret bonus tip at the end that combine all of these extensions into the ultimate productivity system. So hit that like button, and if you are new, tap subscribe for weekly videos that automate your life. Let's dive in. Think about your typically workday. How many hours do you spend on repetitive tasks? Writing email, fixing grammar, taking meeting notes, researching information, creating content. The list goes on. According to recent study, knowledge workers spend up to 60% of their time on administrative tasks instead of actual productivity work. So, but what if I told you that AI has already solved most of these problems? And better yet, what if you could across these solution right from your browser without switching between dozen of different apps? So comment below and let me know what's the one repetitive task that eat up most of your day. I guarantee one of these extensions solve problem. Let's start with writing. Sometime we all do every single day, whether it's email, documents, social media posts, or even comments on YouTube videos. We are consistently writing. But here the thing, most of us are not professional writers, or even professional writer make mistakes. So I will give you the solution here. Enter Grammarly, and no, this is not sponsored. I genuinely use this every day. What this I am going to type up. What this here you can see grammar mistake, unusual sentence, and poor tone. But here, what most people don't know about Grammarly, it's not just spell check. The AI actually help you adjust your tone, going from casual to professional, friendly to formal. It's like having a communication coach built into your browser. And here the real kicker, I used to spend about 10 to 15 minutes proofreading and revising every important email. Now maybe 2 minutes. That's saving me at least an hour daily just an email communication. Multiple that by 365 days, and we are talking about 350 hours per year. There more than 9 full work weeks. But wait until see extension number 3. It literally writes entire article for you. More of that in just a minute. And now we are talking about extension number 2, Scribe, the documentation nightmare. Okay, quick question here for you. How much do you time spend explaining the same process over and over again? Whether it's onboarding new team member, creating tutorials, or just helping someone navigation a website is exhausting, right? So here is where Scribe become absolutely magical. Watch this. Here you can see perform a common task. Let's say getting up a new project in a management tool. It will turn perform the task once, and here you can see automatically create a perfect step-by-step guide with screenshots, annotations, and clear instruction. It literally watch what I did and documented it for me. It's not just convenient. Think about it. Instead of spending 30 minutes explaining a process to each new member, you spend 5 minutes creating it once with Scribe, then just share the link. If you onboard just 1% per month, you are saving 25 minutes monthly per process. Most businesses have dozens of process. The time saving compound incredibly fast. And here is question for you. What process do you explain most often at work? Drop it in the comment. I bet Scribe could automate it. And now we are moving for extension number 3, Jasper AI. Now let's talk about content creation. Whether you are creating blog posts, social media caption, product description, or even YouTube video script like this one. Content creation is time intensive, but what if AI could handle the heavy lifting? Meet Jasper AI, a Chrome extension. Here, what makes this different from other AI writing tools? It will work everywhere. I'm on LinkedIn right now, and I can write a post. Absolutely productivity. Watch this. You can see in less than 30 minutes you can complete a post that engaging professional on board. But here is the key: this is not just about replacing your creativity, it's about amplifying it. Think of it as a incredibly master writing partner that never get tired. And real world time saving, I used to spend 2 to 3 hours writing a single blog post. Now I can create the first drafting in 15 minutes using Jasper, then spend the remaining time refining and adding my personal touch. It's cutting my content creation time by 80% for content creators. It are literally game changer. But if you think what impressive, wait until you see how extension member 4 handles research. It's like having a PhD researcher at your fingerprint. And now we are moving for extension number 4, Seek Space. Let's to be honest, research is necessary but incredibly time consuming. Whether you are a student, professor, and professional, or content creator, you have probably lost hours going down research rabbit holes, trying to understand complex paper or struggling to find incredible source. See, space change everything. Why this? I am reading a complex research paper about artificial intelligence. Instead of spending an hour trying to decode academic, I can highlight any confusion section, and it will help you instantly break down complex concepts into plain English. But it gets better. I can ask follow-up question, request summaries, and even find related research paper. It's like having a research assistant with across a million of academic paper. For students, this can transform a 6-hour research section into just 2-hour focused work period. For professionals, it means you can quickly digest industry report, understand technical documentation, and make informed decision faster. The time saving here are not just minutes, there are hours per week. Student and professional watching, what your biggest research challenge? This space might be solved. It let me know in the comment. And now extension number 5, Otter.ai. Finally, extension, and this one a productivity game changer. Meet transcription. How many meetings do you attend weekly, and how much time do you spend taking note instead of actively participating? Plus, how often of you forget important details because you were busy writing? So Otter.ai solve this completely. You can quick mock meeting right now and watch how Otter.ai handle it. Look at this. Not only it's transcribing everything in real time with incredible accuracy, but it also identifying different speaker highlight, key phrase, and even struggling action items. This is not just transcription, it's intelligent meeting analysis. And the here is productivity transformation. Here, what's this mean practically? Instead of spending 30 minutes after each meeting typing up notes and typing to remember who said what. You have everything documentation instantly. For someone who attend 10 meetings per week, that's 5 hour weekly save. That an entirely additional day of productivity. Plus the researchable transcript mean you can quickly find any discussion point weekly or monthly later. No more I remember we talked about this but rare moments. Here is a bonus tip combination the extensions. Now here the secret. I promise the real magic happen when you combine these extension into a complete productivity system. Your daily workflow that leverage all five. Morning, use otter.ai to transcribe in your daily planning section. Afternoon meeting, otter.ai capture everything while you focus on contribution. Post meeting, Jasper AI help to craft following up email using Grammarly to ensure perfect one when need to share process. Scribe document them automatically, and research phase size phase help you to understand complex information quickly. The compound effect is incredible. Each extension save time individually, but together they create a seamless workflow that can save you 4 to 5 hours daily. That's about to 20 to 25 hours weekly, literally adding an extra half day of your productivity time. But before I show you how to set all of these up properly, let me ask you this. The implementation challenge here. Challenge for you, pick just one of these extension and install it today. Don't try to implement all five of these, they're overwhelming. Start with the one that address your biggest time waster. Is this writing? Start with Grammarly, repetitive explanation, try Scribe, and content creation struggle. Just use Jasper AI. And also tell me in your comments which one AI extension you will use today. If this video save your time just by watching it, imagine how much these extension will save you daily. Hit that like button, subscribe for more AI productivity tips, and I will see you in the next video where I am revealing 5 AI tools that can completely automate your social media presence. Remember, this goal is not to replace human creativity, it to amplify it. And also these tools give you back your time so you can focus on what matter most. Goes on reclaim your productivity.